Hello and welcome to How Logical. In today's episode of the tutorial video, I'm about to teach you how to change your birthday even though you have reached the limit to change your birthday. So, while you're waiting, open up the Snapchat app, go to your profile on the top left corner, go to the settings on the top right corner, scroll down until you see Help Me. Go down to the support section and then press I need help. After you press I need help, the Snapchat support will open. Scroll down until you find Contact Us. Click on Contact Us. You can now click on I need help with a Snapchat feature. Once you click on it, scroll a bit down and there you can see Profiles and Communities. After pressing on Profile and Communities, scroll down below. You can see the section where it is written Still Need Help. Press on Yes and then write down your username, email, and description why your birthday is not being changed. Once you have crossed the limit, Snapchat support might not help you, but after you write down the correct description, Snapchat might contact you and ask for your passport or citizenship to authenticate your actual birthday. This way, you can change your birthday even after you have crossed the limit to do so. Hope the video was helpful to you. Like the video, subscribe to our channel, and do hit the bell button to make sure you get such notifications of our tutorial videos. See you in the next video. Until next time, see you, goodbye, and take care.